First Alert Chief Meteorologist Kendra Kent here. Just want to give you a heads up that there was a confirmed EF-0 tornado. We'll get the details on the exact path and the wind speed, but usually that's anywhere from around 80 miles an hour. Again, very strong wind in a very localized area, and a lot of this was near Calhoun Falls. This did not affect the city of Abbeville, but a lot of the western part of the county. We were on air covering this for you. This was on Monday evening between about 7:20 and 8 o'clock, but the worst of it was between 7:20 and 7:30. That's when I expect that tornado touchdown. But we'll get details from National Weather Service coming up shortly. But tornado confirmed, adding to the list for the state of South Carolina for the year.